everyone, I'm Mary from Mary's Yarn Basket, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a magic ring or a magic circle and then single crochet into that magic ring. So grab your yarn and your hook and we'll get started. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is hold that yarn between your thumb and middle finger, wrap it around your first two fingers, flip your hand over and make an X. Grab that working yarn with your ring finger. Then take your hook and insert it under the first yarn, over the second yarn. Pull that second yarn under, turn up and twist. Loop that working yarn, pull it through the loop on your hook. I could show you that one more time. Grab that yarn between your thumb and middle finger. Wrap it around those first two fingers. Flip your hand over. Make an X. Grab that yarn with your ring finger. Insert your hook under the first yarn, over the second yarn. Pull that under and turn up and twist. Loop the working yarn. Pull it through the loop on your hook. And I like to pull the tail out of the center of the ring. It doesn't really matter though, that's just a personal preference. And now you are ready to start single crocheting into your magic ring. I can show you one more time a little faster. Grab your yarn, wrap it around, flip your hand, make an X, under over, pull through and twist up. Hook that yarn and pull it through. To single crochet into your magic ring, you're going to take your hook, insert it into the center of that ring. Grab that working yarn, pull it under and through. Now you have two loops on your hook. You're going to wrap this working yarn around your hook. Pull it through those two loops. That's your first single crochet. You can insert into the center of the loop, grab that working yarn, pull it under and through your two loops on your hook, wrap that yarn, pull it through the two loops. Insert into the center of the loop, grab that working yarn, pull it under and through. Got your two loops on your hook, wrap that yarn, pull it through the two loops. And you can keep going for as many as your pattern would call for. I'm just going to put like 8 in here just to kind of show you. And then when you have as many as you need, you can pull that tail and it will start to pull that center hole shut. Once you have all the single crochets you need in your circle, you can go ahead and connect to the first single crochet of the round. So you're just going to find your two loops that you need to insert your hook into on that first single crochet. Then you're going to wrap your yarn, pull it under, and then you're just going to pull right under that last loop on the hook. And now your round is connected. I hope this tutorial helped you a little bit. I tried to break it down the best I could with how I make my magic rings. I know they can be kind of frustrating at the beginning when you're trying to figure them out, but once you get them down, they're just super easy. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and happy crocheting!